Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima and today we are going to be talking about having romantic relationships in medical school and tips on how to go about it. So I put up a poll for my YouTube family to vote whichever topic or whichever video series that they want to see first, and this actually got the silver medal. So that is why you're seeing this video today. So if you are a hopeless romantic like me, or if you are really interested in having romantic relationships in medical school and you are curious on how to do that without it affecting your studies, this is a video for you. Please keep watching. The first thing I'm going to talk to you about is choose your partner wisely. Okay, know the kind of person that you choose to date. There are some people who will definitely not understand. Okay, I've been in a relationship with someone that would tell me, babe, you don't have time for me, you're always booked this, you're always studying, you're always this, why can't you just have time to travel and do some touring? And I'm like, babe, I have an in-course exam on Monday and you're expecting me to travel with you this weekend. How is that possible? So many people would definitely not understand. I don't want to shake any table and say that, oh, it's because the person is not a medic like you, that's why the person doesn't understand. Or I will say, oh, this person is understanding because the person is a medic like you. No, I don't want to dive into that. That is relative, that is controversial, and I don't like going into controversial topics. But what I would say is choose whoever you're going to date wisely. Make sure the person is understanding. Make sure it's someone that understands when you are just not going to be available. Make sure it's someone that understands when you can't pick a call because you're doing ward rounds, or because you're in class, or because you're trying to brush up or finish up a material that you need to study. Make sure it's someone that will just understand that you have to keep late nights at the hospitals. Just make sure it's someone that understands generally. Now, dating a medic, dating a non-medic, I've had a taste of both worlds, and to me, I would say there is no just difference, apart from the fact that non-medics will try to keep your eyes open so that you know that life is not just black and white. Life is not just about medical school. They will help you to have fun outside medical school. But dating a medic, in my own experience, it's actually easier for the person to understand what you're going through. It's easier for you to gist with the person about everything that you've gone through in ward rounds or in the hospitals, or if you're a preclinical student, everything you've gone through in class. It's a medic that will really understand and will be able to provide solutions to your medic problems. So it's relative, so it's up to you to choose whichever you want. But the important thing is the person you're dating should really understand when you're just down, when you're emotionally drained, the person should just understand. Let it be someone who is understanding. Secondly, if you're dating someone, please let there be a balance. Strike a balance. Don't be all into the relationship and then your studies are suffering. You get, like, I will always use my 200 level first semester as an example. My 200 level first semester, I was in a very serious relationship and I gave that relationship my all, like my 100%, that my studies suffered. In fact, the fact that I didn't fail any course in my 200 level first semester, it's still a miracle till date, because I hardly ever had the time to study. I was always doing one video call or the other, or traveling to go and see him. I was so busy with the relationships that I lost sight of the fact that I am a medical student first. You get, don't be like me, please. Strike a balance. That's why I mentioned that first point. The person you're dating should understand when you have to face medical schools, and should understand that there are certain birthdays that you cannot just be physically present for, and there are certain occasions, there are certain outings that you cannot just be physically present for. It's someone who understands that you should date. Trust me, you don't want to go have all the emotional trouble of trauma and all this blah 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 of someone always singing to you that you are not available. You don't need that as a medical student. Please prioritize your studies. For now, you are a medical student first before any other thing. Yes, strike that balance. Do not keep on missing classes consistently because of your relationship. And if you find out that you keep missing classes, you keep missing deadlines, you keep missing assignments, not being able to attend classes, not being able to attend practicals, not being able to finish up your study because of a relationship, I'm not here to tell you to leave the relationship. I'm here to tell you that you should try to strike that balance. have that talk with your partner and let your partner understand that there need to be a balance. Okay, if you fail out of medical school because of your relationship, it will not speak well of you as a person. However, I wouldn't want to judge you. If that is what you would prefer, that's fine. I'm only here to give you tips on how to balance both. Another tip I'm going to talk to you guys about is effective communication. As a medical student, you need to be able to communicate with whoever it is that you're dating. Try to talk to the person about your day. I understand if during the day you're so busy that you guys cannot communicate, but talk to the person about your day. Tell them everything that happened in the day. Oh, the consultant told me this. Oh, the consultant told me that. And if you're dating a non-medic, please understand that there are certain terms that the person would not understand. I remember dating a non-medic and trying to express my consent for the upcoming in-course, and the person was like, what is in-course? Just understand that there are certain terms that they won't understand. So try to be patient and explain these terms to them. You would be surprised that there are so many people out there that do not know that medical students do not write semester exams. There are people that do not even know what professional MB exam is, or the repercussion of passing it or failing it, or just they really don't even know how the medical school system is structured. They feel that it's structured same way other semester courses or GP courses are structured. So you need to communicate effectively with whoever you're dating and let the person understand how things are done. Do you know, even short 10 seconds, video clips here and there about your day, it can go a long way to help your relationship. Short 10 seconds video call. There are some times that I'm running to attend class, or I'm trying to finish up some study, and I'll be like, babe, let's just do 10-second video call, and I'll just do it. Even though sometimes I may not even be able to talk, I'll just wave and smile. And it goes a long way, I'm telling you. So don't just go MIA, that's missing in action completely, because you're in medical school or because you are so busy with stuff. But if it's just not within your power, communicate effectively. Let your partner know that this is what is happening in my life right now, and because of this I won't be able to do this, I won't be able to do that. Or if you can, chip in the 10 seconds voice note or the 10 seconds video call. I'm not saying literally 10 seconds, but you get my point. Let that person understand that he or she is a priority as much as medical school is a priority to you. Please, like I've mentioned already, there should be a balance, obviously, but don't make that person feel that he or she is a second class in your life and the person should get out if he doesn't want to get. That means you're not just serious about that relationship. So try as much as it's within your power to communicate with that person. Talk to the person about your day. Listen as well. And communication is a two-way thing. In as much as you talk to the person about your own day, listen when the person is talking to you about his or her own day. Listen when the person is trying to express his or her own concerns. Listen. Be a great listener as well as a great talker. I don't know if that's the right English. Please, English people, help me. Okay. Listen as much as you talk. Don't just do all the talking and the person will keep doing on listening. Let it be a two-way thing. As you talk to the person about your day, the person too should talk to you about his or her own day. Or if it's someone that doesn't do that, like, let there just be a mutual understanding. If it's okay that one person does most of the talking and the other person does most of the listening, if it's okay by the both of you, by all means it's okay, because I understand that there are certain people that really do not like talking, so they feel better listening to their partner. So whatever rocks your boat, just do it. Another tip I'm going to talk to you guys about is, alright guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. By tomorrow the last part of this video will be out. I remain your girl Jemima. See you tomorrow. Bye.